Alright, I don't have my headphones with me today, so this probably won't sound the best, but we'll give it a try. I've got a line that contains the points 3, 2, and 5, 8, and I want to find 3 more points that lie in the line. One of the hints is to find the slope and use a slope and a point to help us find the other points in the line. Okay, so let's find the slope first. So we know the formula for slope is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So we're going to do our quotient here. y2 is 8 minus y1 is 2 over 5 minus 3. And if we simplify that, that's going to give us another fraction with 6 in the top, and 5 minus 3 is 2 in the bottom, or simplifies to 3. So our slope is 3. Alright, now I also just want to take a look at what these points look like. So, let me move this off to the side here. I've got some graph paper underneath. And let's try to draw those points in. So the points were at 3, 2. Okay. So if you kind of draw where those 2 points would be, you can imagine the line that connects those 2 points looking something like this. And maybe just seeing what the line looks like is going to help us to answer this question as well. Now, what I know about this line is that it has a slope of 3, which means that to go between any 2 points, I can count a rise of 3 over a run of 1. 3 is 3 over 1. So if I start at this first point and go up 3 over 1, I get to another point. Up 3 over 1, I get to the point I was given. Or vice versa, I can go down 3, back 1, I get to a point in my line. Down 3, back 1, another point. And down 3, back 1, another point. And so on. I can keep going in this way and find as many points as I would like to find. So let's go ahead and fill in our question. So 3 more points on the line. The first one is supposed to have x coordinate 2. So x coordinate 2 is going to correspond right here to a y value of -1. So we should put a -1 right there. Okay, let's look at the next one, 6. Alright, now 6, let's see, I don't think my graph is big enough. Let's look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Not quite big enough. What you would do is just make it a little bit taller, make your line a little bit longer, and you can be able to find that one for 6. I just didn't go quite far enough on my table to be able to see where that is. But I know that I'm at 5 right now, 8, and I know that to get to 6, I'm going to go up 3 over 1. You can figure out what point you're going to be at. Same thing for 7. Just extend your graph a little bit longer, continue from where you're at, using the slope of 3 over 1, 3 over 1, twice more to get up to an x value of 7, and you can find the y value that goes with it. So I hope that helps. Thinking about the slope, you can think about how you can calculate that value, and it also really is nice to be able to draw that and get the visual so you can see where your values might be and how to predict new values.